Hi guys, welcome to the live. So initially we learned how to buy domain hosting, correct? After that we applied Minamis theme, and after that we learned plugins like lead generation plugins, and later we learned how to create a website and a blog. The difference between website and blog. Next, yesterday we learned Elementor, how to make a website with the Elementor, correct? These are all the procedure. Now, actually, in order to create a website, this is enough. If you follow this, it's enough. It's very simple, but I could have teach you this in the first class only, but you don't understand. That's why step by step I made this. Frankly speaking, any website you can create in 5 minutes. 5 minutes, one template will come. Later, spend some time on that and change it within one day. But normal layout, you can do it only 5 minutes only. I'm going to show you that how I'm going to create a website in just 5 minutes. Right. Let me share the screen here. Right. I'm going to work on this website. I'm deleting everything. Okay. So how to log in, guys? Slash WPFN admin. I want to delete everything. How to delete it? So there is a plugin called WP Reset. With this plugin, everything I can remove. So tech.woozy.in, there is some content here. What I'm doing is I've already installed a plugin. So WP Reset, this plugin removes everything. Scroll down and type reset site. All the content, themes, everything will be removed. I come back here, empty. Chalo, now we are in the dashboard, right? Now from now onwards, check 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes only, you can create a website. So you don't have to create pages, menu, nothing is there in this format. But make sure that you should have a knowledge on what is domain and hosting. Then only go for this. So directly go to appearance, theme, Astra. Try to install Astra theme. Okay, we already installed Astra. Just activate it. We installed Astra. Now refresh here. Some kind of. Then what you have to do is under appearance, you have an option called Astra options. Astra options. Click on this. Then right hand side, you have an option called install importer plugin. So Astra have these plugins, importer plugins. Install them. Then you get something like this. Build your website now. Now, then it will ask you what kind of page builder you want. WordPress by default have an editor. If you want, you can do with this. That's very basic. Or else you can choose Elementor. You can choose Behavior Builder. We already discussed about the Elementor, so it's better go with this. We already know that Elementor. Now you'll get something like this. If it is not loading properly, you just refresh it. When you refresh, you will get all the templates. You know, so in this template, something is premium. Don't go for a premium one, which is free. Go for that only. So nature, outdoor adventure, brand store, or else one education website, online health coach, personal portfolio website, heating and AC technician, or else you know what? Here you have an option. What kind of business you want? Agency, restaurant, hotel construction, local business. So almost any client you can satisfy. Even e-commerce themes also available. You just select it and check it. Now assume that hotel and travel. You got a client, hotel and travel. Let's find the free template. Now travel and tourism. Assume that you liked it. Then you just click on this, skip and continue, continue. Here, submit and build my website. That's it. Once it is 100%, you have a website. You just see this, less than 5 minutes, we created a travel tourism website. That simple is that. Most of my client work I do like this only, but after that, I will optimize properly. So I'll change the colors, images. See, done. See the website. Initially, it was nothing. Now see the website. Isn't it good? Now, when I ask you to do with Elementor, you can't do this much good. You may do, but maybe it take 2 months to 3 months because it will become masters. You added a slider, you added one video, two columns, but alignment was not proper. But these guys already work properly. So don't you think that client will not give you 40,000 for this? He will give, right? Now, what you have to do is go and change the content and the images, whatever you want, you can change it. That's it. Now, I should not show to the client. This is the layout. This is the layout. Then client says that I need much better. Then what I can do is simple again. Go to the dashboard. Again, under appearance, Astra options, library. We already installed, right? Go to the library. Now the same templates will come. Try different template now. The client didn't like the template, right? Try another template. Now this time, let me check another website like Saloon. One Saloon client came. See, there are different. Let's find the free one. Usually, I wanted to go for this makeup artist. Click on this. Skip and continue. Continue. So delete previously imported site. Whatever the travel and tourism came, that will be replaced now. That will be replaced by this Saloon theme. Done. And it will be very fast as well. Done. Let's see the website now. See, makeup artist website. Definitely she'll be happy for this website. Correct? The color combination, everything is great actually. So in such a way, school, college, hospital, travel, any website they have a template. So Astra is the best solution with the Elementor. Now, how to customize this thing? Okay, like you know what? Almost all pages. Now see, this is the home page, right? Now click on About Us. About Us also designed. See, about me. Perfect. Now, if you do with Elementor, how will you do this? How many columns? Four columns. Image, 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 and one content with image. But they know how to do it better. Services. See this. And here one column. I'll tell you one idea. How to understand them, how to build your own theme. Portfolio. Now you and Avinash work like this only. This is how you designed. Contact. Even the forms and everything they've given. Proper. So what you can do is go to dashboard. You want to change everything. Every page you want to do it. Now go to pages. About Us section you want to change. About Us. So directly edit with Elementor. Click. You'll go to the Elementor. This is one option. Another option also there. Open your website in a new tab. Now you want to change services page. Click on services. Make sure that you're already logged in. Can you see the option here? Edit with Elementor. When you click on this, directly it will open from here. You can do like this also. So instead of going for the pages and everything. Now about me came. Now you can change everything. You want to change the image? You want to change the content? This is so easy, you know this. Now I want to change the image. Choose image. Whatever the image is there, you can add it. So I'm just changing. This is not correct, but I'm just changing. Whatever they given, it's good. That's it. And content, whatever you want, you can change the content. So easy. You don't have to work hard. Yeah. So most of the clients work, I will be working like this one. So that's why I taught you Elementor. You struggled yesterday. Now you don't need to struggle. Already everything they've given, we have to work on this. But you want to know how these people have used this four sections. You want to understand this. Then what you can do is click on these three dots. Now start understanding it. What kind of layout they gave? What is the content width boxed? Okay, column gaps, what they've given. What is the structure? See, four columns, 25, 25, 25, they're done. And after that, check the style as well. Background overlay, what they used, normal. Border, what they have used. Then advanced option, what they have used, margin, padding, motion effect, like that. So your knowledge will increase because of this. Right, let's come here. Let's see this. So this they have used three columns, right? Click on this. Then structure, you can see this 33, 33, 33. The structure they used. This is the one active. And you can choose the style, what background they used, what border they used. And you want to close it, you can close it. You want to change anything, you can change it. But spend more time. Now you don't know how this guy used this. Let's see this. Click on this. And structure is what? Three columns you used. But can you able to understand three columns? Where the you guys use three columns? You understood?
Yes, sir.
What
What
is
is the logo? The 25% off.
this is the one used 16, 66, 16. You got it? This is the one you used. So three columns. This is the logo he has it. This is the content. This is. But what is important is how does this guy got the background?
Yes.
How he got the background? That is important. Structure, layout. Let's go to the style. Yeah, you know what? Here background normal, he added the image, so it's giving a rich look. That this kind of background image you can download from a Google. It's easy, right?
Yes.
Now let us try to add like this column, three columns I want to use. Then structure 16, 66, right? Now what I have to add here? Image. What he has added here? This one.
Same
This one, text, I think he added. Text he added or heading added. The last one is the image, right? Now let me change them. This image, what we're going to add is the logo. So what are the logo you have? We can use it. So 25% off. And when it comes to this text, what was the text? Book your appointment now and get 25% off. So I'm using this. And when it comes to the last one, this is not image actually. What he has used? He used call to action button. Now, how to do this is I can I can delete it. It's gone. Hmm?
చూసిన తర్వాత దా సైడ్ బార్ లో
Add new column. I'm adding another column and layout. Yeah, here what I'm adding, call to action button, right? Like what they've added, book an appointment. What I'm trying to teach you, how to learn uh, with the theme they have given, so that your elemental knowledge will increase. Now, what else is missing? This background image, right? So go to style, this background type. Okay, let us try to understand here again. Click on this style, normal, background type is classic, color. There is an option called image. Let me go there. Style, background type is classic, image game. When you select classic, then it's game. Then choose the image. That image already they have, or else you can download from a Google. Yeah, what is missing now?
text font.
You know what? When using this, the text color should be white actually. Already pink is there, black is not coming. Then click on this section. Where I have to go? Style, and the text to color should be white. Done. And typography, font. And still there is a difference actually.
Image.
What is the problem?
Image different.
This is a different image. So maybe they have a different image. Let's see this. Only this image is there. Okay. Where I've changed the color?
Image color different ఉంటుంది మనం అప్లై చేసిందే ఆఫ్టర్
This is almost red, right? What I use is the pink.
అండ్ థిక్ గా ఉన్నది.
Hmm. Okay, somehow you can try like this. You're able to learn, right? So spend more time so that you can understand how to edit this. Next time, without the help of Astra, also you can design a website. Now, client had a requirement. Astra theme doesn't support it. Then, because you got knowledge, you'll understand how many columns I have to use it, how to reduce it. Then that's it. Without you have to work on it. Now you see this website, Fast Freedom Academy. You will easily understand how I designed the website. So the same template I applied. Here one column I used, the image and the content. Two columns where I used the background color as this. Here background color as navy blue. Then two columns. So all of you can do this, right? I'll be giving you task anyway. So I'll try to show that website. When you come back, I want a same ditto website. That's it. So guys, what you have to remember is designing always takes time. You should have a passion for this, and you have to sit for longer hours. Be creative, and best way to design is see your competitor, how the website is, and keep on experimenting it. Don't afraid that something happened. Nothing will happen because you can have a backup. I'll be making more videos on how to have a backup. Suddenly, when you're working, sometimes some plugins, what happens? Plugin will destroy the website, But no problem. Once you have a backup, you can upload the previous version. I'm going to show you how to have the backup as well in the future sections. Now we are able to make the websites very easily now. So let's see this. It is 1 week. 1 week before you don't know how to create a website. Now in 1 week you learn how to make a website. That much simple is learning digital marketing. No, designing is like this, but in future we learn Google Ads, SEO. This is not like a design. I never ask you people to focus more on the designing, because marketing means learning the marketing techniques, not the designing. So some people fall into the trap of this designing. So no, don't go for it, because marketing is more. Designers, there is less value. You become a web designer, if you're working for the company, 30, 40, 50, maximum 1 lakh salaries will be there. But once you reach 1 lakh salary, companies always try to remove you only, because a fresher also can do like you. You have 5 years experience, 1 year experience guy also can do the same thing. But whereas a marketer, there is a lot of difference. 5 years experience marketer, 1 year experience marketer, there is a lot of value. But still, I'm teaching you this technique only because to get a freelancing jobs, so that you can make have part-time money apart from a job. You can do a 9 to 6 job. Apart from that, if any client comes, work for 2 to 3 hours a day, 1 week, you can deliver it, and you can charge 40,000 rupees. If you get a US and UK client, that's good. You'll be getting very good money as well. Okay, so that's it, guys. And in the next section, we'll be learning how to create e-commerce website. With the same Astra, we can make an e-commerce website as well, but there is a separate mechanism for that. I'm going to explain you on that. Guys, if you have any question, put it in a comment. Thank you.